Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. It is 9:30 on Saturday morning and it's been raining. And I'm going to take this opportunity at this break in the rain to show you one more way to ignite this punkwood. We've been increasing my supplies and my stores of charred punkwood over the past 2 days. And I have shown you how to solar ignite it with my reading glasses. Then we used flint and steel and we casted sparks down on top of it to ignite it. And then yesterday I showed you the empty Bic. Today let me show you a technique that nobody really thinks about. Let's fire roll it. I'm going to use an entire cotton ball because you need a bigger diameter fire roll for the top board and bottom board to be able to grip it. So and we're just going to use a small piece of it. Not much, about 3/4 by 1/2 inch by, I don't know, that might be 1/8 inch thick. Roll it up good and tight, just like any fire roll. And this is going to take a lot of strokes to get it to ignite because we're using an entire cotton ball. Let's tighten it up. If you don't see smoke, go back and roll it some more. What I see now might be steam, that's why I have to look at it for so long. I think it's ignited, but I want it to be better ignited. Let's roll it some more. That's better ignited. I try to position it in front of a dark background so you can see that smoke coming off of it. You can imagine there's 100% humidity out here, which is affecting it, but it does indeed look like it's ignited. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. Time to improvise. We have all the charred punkwood in the world I can use to increase that ember. That's what we'll do. Now this will be able to deal with all the humidity out here. Almost lost my opportunity, didn't I? We'll catch you on the next one.